Marakamano watimo mos kuom ng'ikruok mar chenro mar masako it kata kamano wan mana kare. Bura mar nono nek ma jaod bura Ong'ondo were dhi mbele do ma ka achije mopogore opogore nochwal e do kanyo. Winjeno kaka chenro no dhi mbele achiel kachiel.
The root or the bottom of all these matters. I'm confident, Your Honor, that ultimately this court shall help in balancing the scales of justice. I urge you, most respectfully, thank you.
You know, that's the end of the respondent's defense.
In short, all these arguments are that the state is seeking that you've been detained for 30 working days, but to consider the period you've been in custody, to enable investigations be concluded. And we have to say regarding that request. And I think the other prayer was for your phone. It's among the ones which are itemized to be subjected to forensic exploitation and analysis. Those are the main applications they are seeking. Any language, English or Kiswahili?
English, Your Honor.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Your Honor, I've heard the state telling the court that the suspect before the court was arrested in possession of alleged firearms. And the firearm has been taken to ballistic expertise. And the firearm is directly the state has said the firearm is directly connected to the manner of the case before the court. If the ballistics have confirmed so.
So the firearm is directly
connected to the murder case, in the case before the court. And if it's so, Your Honor, why again 30 working days? I pray to this honorable court, Your Honor, grant at least, if it's made, 5 days, Your Honor. And again, I've heard the state saying that we are directly connected or we know each other. Sincerely speaking, before the court, Your Honor, I've met the first respondent here in court. My phone or my mobile phone was seized upon my arrest, and I can confirm so. I've never seen the first respondent. We've never talked. This is my first time. My first time when we in court is when we met here.
Your phone was one or more?
One. And they can confirm it, Your Honor. I've never had any contact. I've never seen the person in court. We only met here in court. And that's all, Your Honor.
Second respondent asked a very pertinent question. If the ballistic report has already connected the murder weapon to the case, then why 5 days?
So then why? I missed the last.
He's saying,
Yes.
if that has been done, then why 30 days?
Okay.
Yes, if that is already established, then why 30 days? Maybe we can start with answering that question.
It's a valid question. I'll start with that here. So, Your Honor, you know, it is said that the dead tell no tales. The dead tell no tales. Honorable Were is not here to to give us an account bit by bit of what happened. It is only through investigative procedures that, as per the IO, we may require these 30 working days, and the state we are convinced of the same. It is only through these investigative procedures that now Honorable Were will be able now to tell us what really transpired. His voice will speak through these internal investigations. As regards to the pertinent issue raised by the second respondent, Your Honor, yes, the murder weapon has been connected to the recovery before court. That's the pistol. But Your Honor, from an investigative standpoint, it does not then mean that investigations now have to end there. For every criminal enterprise, as we do insist, they don't have to have any name, they don't have to go by any grouping, like we have known them, the criminal groups know. A criminal enterprise can only be brought together for the purposes of the execution of a particular act. They don't need to know each other.
Erokamano nyako medo kete Ramogi TV e cheno mar migago en thuolo mar kawo yweyo machielo kapok adhi e yweyo. An gi ote ka wacho ni cheno mar migago neno maler kendo morowa mar atari ka wan gi Jojo Pondo, Shaban Mboya to gi Dache mar Kariobangi North, mano jo Odundo Mtukubwa size ndogo. Ng'ato to ndiko ni Lydia Wuoro gima achijego pod ne timo Nairobi. Akiani no wacho ang'o nikech kapar kwa bedo gi mano. Felix Lando mano wuod Kanyamwadago wacho no oworo wach Ong'ondo Were